Hey everybody, I'm Keller. There's a popular joke in the aviation industry that the cockpit of the future will contain just a pilot and a dog. The pilot is there to feed the dog, and the dog is there to bite the pilot if he tries to touch the controls. While this punchline gets a laugh, it captures a real anxiety. Are we being automated out of our own jobs? I actually made this picture using AI and went from typing in to getting the picture that I wanted in less than a minute. Not ever really using AI generated images before, I managed to come up with this on one of my first couple tries. Today, I want to convince you that embracing AI as a partner is essential because in the future, the pilot who refuses to partner with AI will be replaced by the one who does. I'm credible to speak on this topic as I'm a student in the MTSU Pro Pilot program, currently with my instrument rating, and I'm currently working towards finishing my commercial pilot's license. I have also conducted extensive research, including the National Transportation Safety Board accident reports, Aviation Week technology archives, FAA safety bulletins, and the Garmin Autoland system manual. So let's taxi to the runway and look at the problem facing our profession. The problem is that a culture of fear and resistance regarding AI is creating pilots who are dangerously unprepared for the modern cockpit. This resistance creates two major issues: safety hazards and career risks. First, resistance to technology creates an immediate safety hazards. According to a 2023 NTSB safety alert on automation management, accidents have occurred when pilots fail to understand or trust their automated systems. The NTSB explicitly warns that pilots must maintain proficiency because automation can reduce workload and improve safety, but only if the pilot is proficient in its use. When pilots insist on hand-flying complex data management tasks that a computer could handle, they increase their cognitive workload. This leads to higher fatigue and higher risk of fatal errors. Second, refusing to adapt poses a direct threat to your future employability. Airlines are not looking for 1960s stick and rudder operators anymore. They need system managers. According to a 2025 report by the market research firm Dimension Market Research, the global AI aviation market is projected to reach $52.7 billion by 2023. This means that major airlines are investing heavily in these tools right now. If you resist learning them, you will be overlooked for promotions in favor of pilots who are skilled system managers. Now that we see the risk of ignoring this technology, let's look at how we can fix the problem. The solution is to shift our mindset to view AI as a supportive tool and actively seek training in these new systems. We need to see AI as a collaborative safety monitor and not a replacement. For example, look at the Garmin Autoland system. This system is designed to take over only when the pilot is incapacitated, acting as the ultimate safety net. Communicating with air traffic control and landing the plane safely if you can't. It isn't there to take your job, it's there to save your life. We must also use AI to enhance our decision making. Instead of fearing the black box, we should utilize AI-driven weather radar apps to interpret complex storm data instantly. We should delegate data-heavy tasks to the computer so we can focus on what humans do best: high-level aeronautical decision-making. As Nicholas Napoli and Christopher Tishon wrote in Aerospace America in December 2024, the goal is human-machine teaming, where the machine works alongside humans to monitor performance and reduce workload. If we adopt this new mindset, imagine what our careers will look like. Imagine a future where you are a highly competitive super pilot. You walk into your airline interview confident. You tell the interviewers that you don't just fly the plane, you manage a complex digital ecosystem. You handle emergencies in the simulator faster than anyone else. You leverage the AI help available to you, and this is how you be everyone else. A June 2025 article by the Forbes Business Council describes this future clearly, stating that AI co-pilots capable of handling non-standard situations could drive improvements in flight safety. Now contrast this with a pilot who refuses to adapt. This pilot struggles to keep up with massive flows of data in the modern glass cockpit. They are stressed, fatigued, and viewed as a liability by the airlines. They are left behind as the industry advances without them. To ensure we end up on the right side of history, I encourage you to take out your phones right now. Scan this QR code. This links to the Aviation Week newsletter sign-up page. I want you to subscribe to the Tech and Innovation Briefing so you can stay up to date and informed on the systems you will be flying tomorrow. Don't be the pilot the dog has to bite. Be the pilot who leads the team in confidence and adaptability. Thank you.